For this video, we will be looking at the navigation and plan drawings view of PlantSight. If your device has never been used for your project, then you must add your project. Talk to your project manager if you don't have your project login or personal login information. Enter your username and password to enter your project. This is the screen you will use to navigate between different drawings, add or complete inspection points, and adjust your application settings. You can use two fingers to zoom in and out. You can also use one finger to move around in the same drawing. If you hold one finger down on a drawing, you can make a new punch item. We will talk about punch items in another tutorial. To navigate between drawings in PlantSight, simply tap on the navigation button to open the navigation tree. The navigation tree is set up to allow users to quickly move between different drawings by tapping on tier-level titles until the desired area and drawing are found. Alternatively, users can open the search bar by tapping on the magnifying glass button, manually typing in the file name, or take a picture with the built-in QR code reader. QR codes can be used to quickly switch between drawings. Once you scan a QR code, you will immediately be taken to that drawing. Moving down, when you press the Hide/Unhide Punch List Items button, you can see the punch list items have disappeared from the drawing, and the button has a cross through it. If we press the button again, the cross will go away, and we will see the punch list items again. They are only hid from the drawing section of your layout. The legend button shows the different types of icons that you are seeing in the drawing. The copy button will make a copy of a punch item that has been entered. Hold down the copy button with one finger, then with another finger, press the punch item you want to copy and drag it to a new location. If we zoom in with two fingers, we can press the expand button, which will maximize the view of the drawing. Let's go along the top bar, moving right from navigation. Favorites are used for making punch item templates. If you select a punch item that has previously been made a favorite, you can add that same punch item to a drawing by pressing on the drawing. Filters are powerful tools in PlantSight. Click on a responsible party. Then, Max Howell. This will allow you to filter through different items on the list of punch items. On the punch item list, you now only see items whose responsible party is Max Howell. You can see the filter button is highlighted red. This means that a filter is active. To deactivate the filter, press the filter button and then reset. If we want to go back to a previous drawing, we press the back button. Forward works the same way. After pressing Menu, you can now see more buttons, starting with Layout. We are currently in the horizontal layout. This is the vertical layout. This is the drawing layout. And this is the punch list layout. This will only show the current punch list items connected to the drawing you are in. When using Sync, make sure you have an internet connection before pressing the Sync button. Syncing is recommended at the beginning and end of the working day. If you don't sync your data, other people will not be able to see anything you have changed. You will also not have information that others have updated on previous day or night shifts. Next, we have the Punch List Reports button. This will be looked at in another tutorial. About and Support will bring you more information on the PlantSight version and project you are in. With File Sync, you can download all photos and files to the PlantSight project. If your camera feed is crashing when using PlantSight, go to App Settings and uncheck Use Large Camera Feed. Support gives information to contact PlantSight's support. The listed email address is support@plant-sight.com. If you email support and they need more information from your device, they will have you come to this screen and press the button Send Data to Support. Reset has a few different options. You can clear preferences, delete photos and files to free up space on your device, or clear all of the project data from the device. Make sure you do have your project name and password before doing this. This will clear the project and its data off your device. Logging out of PlantSight will bring you back to the projects page where users need to sign in. Data grid configuration will allow you to change the sorting row above the items in the punch list. You can unselect or select different items here. We can also change the order by pressing on the right side of one of these items. In this view, you can see that you can scroll left and right, as well as up and down. This is available if you have many items in your punch list or many titles in your sorting row above the items in your punch list. You can also change the width of each title in the top sorting row. Select the black line in between two titles and drag it. Pressing on any of the sorting titles will sort the items in the punch list alphabetically by different types. This will conclude the tutorial on navigation. We will continue in a later video on editing and adding punch list items.